My name is Lisa Tornatore, and I'm the Director of Sustainability at Boston University. Boston University is one of the most dynamic research universities in the world. BU is home to over 35,000 students and over 10,000 employees. Our mission is, of course, education, research, and scholarship, and our students are empowered to develop new and innovative ways of thinking and solutions to the world's most challenging problems. Beyond our stated mission, BU is committed to meeting the goals set forth by the City of Boston and the Commonwealth of Massachusetts on climate action, and we've set our own robust targets to act on climate as well. Our Climate Action Plan, adopted by the Board of Trustees in 2017, outlines a path to carbon neutrality by 2040. Boston University has committed to begin an electric fleet vehicle pilot program by the end of fiscal year 2022. To start that work, BU completed a study with a third party to determine fleet vehicles with EV alternatives that are on the market today. As departments request to replace new vehicles, electric models will be given first priority. MassDEP's Workplace Charging Incentive Program has played a crucial role in our continued expansion of EV charging facilities. With the increased popularity of EVs, our campus community is taking full advantage of the infrastructure as it expands on our campuses. We are excited to be a part of the transition toward an electric vehicle future. We envision a world in which sustainable transportation options, including electric cars, trucks, bikes, and buses, are the obvious choice, not technology requiring advocacy. BU researchers and students will contribute to the industry and culture shift as our campus operation follows suit. Boston University is proud to be an active participant in MassEVolves and support a clean energy future in Massachusetts and beyond.